Challenge is, when you are coming here, you should come with clear mind to build a career, clear commitment to learning in variety of ways. We are demanding we make sure that you learn everything that must be learned. Be it what you need to learn inside the classroom, be it what you need to learn in terms of your attitudes, habits, mannerism, the person. The capability building isn't just about mugging up a few equations. It's a complete capability to visualize, think, perform, deliver, and be on the results.
Hi, I'm Riya Singh, President of the Student Council, Batch 1921. I'm from Lucknow, city of Nawabs and Kebabs. My journey in International School of Business and Media has been a roller coaster ride, full of surprises and adventures. They say learning happens inside the classroom. However, in my case, my greatest learning happened outside the classroom. From being a part of the Student Council to eventually becoming the head of it. As a president, my responsibility is to head the Student Council activities efficiently. This institute has given me the opportunity to bring out the leadership quality in me. ISBNM is a student-driven institute that focuses on the holistic development of the students. The Student Council is an essential part of a 2-year PGDM program. These responsibilities and roles enhance the development of the students apart from academic activities. The various cells and clubs aim towards different aspects of growth in students. Here in ISBNM, we believe in being limitless and passionate towards a dream.
Hi, I am Apurva Godbole, Vice President, Student Council, ISBNM, Batch 1921.
Hi, my name is Shivansh Arora and I am the Vice President of the Student Council at ISBNM, Batch 1921.
We at ISBNM believe in work hard and party harder.
The best part about ISBNM is that ISBM never sleeps. Be it at 3 a.m. or 7 a.m., you always have to be ever ready, energetic and always on your toes.
And we promote this culture through an array of events, right from business conference, which will tickle your grey matter, to events like Forza and Crescendo, where there is no limit to fun one can have.
ISBNM is a student-driven college. The Student Council comprises of various cells and clubs like Lifestyle Development Cell, Sports Cell, DGI, etc., where you will learn to evolve your personality and hone your skills.
By working in these cells and clubs, you will learn to tackle challenging situations which will help you in your upcoming years in the corporate life. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Vishwa Prakash. Just got a pre-placement offer from Trident Group. I've been part of this institution from last 1.5 years. This has been a wonderful journey. It's been a roller coaster ride. I've been part of Finance Club and also participated in various events, right from co-curricular activities as well as extracurricular activities. Coming to the academics, the faculties are the best of the lot I have seen. They have directly come from the corporates. They groom us according to the corporate requirements. At last, I would like to thank Dr. Pramod Kumar giving me such an opportunity to have a complete transformation in me from a student-centric person to a complete corporate. My sincere thanks to the ISBM. Live long ISBM. Thank you so much.